What you're seeing on your screen is a screenshot of a payment that was done to one of our affiliate marketing students. This is 1 million naira milestone plus a $45 for today's earning, which was done on Prompt N using affiliate marketing system. All right, that's one. This is another one that you are seeing. As you can see, if I zoom this in, you can see this is a payment that was made, a payment of 210,000 naira that landed in her account. That is one. Look at another one. This is over $200 made from affiliate marketing by these other students. I can go on and on to show you different people who are making money from this same affiliate marketing business. Now you're watching this because I know you are interested in this video, and that's why you clicked on this video. In today's video, I'm going to show you the best affiliate marketing programs that can help you earn up to $100 to $1,000 in a month. Okay, now this affiliate marketing platform, these affiliate marketing programs that I want to show you are capable of paying you every week, meaning that if you make money, you can withdraw your money every week. Some of them pay every Friday, some of them pay every Saturdays, some of them pay every Sundays, some pay every Mondays. Like if you're using a platform like Prompt N, you get paid every Sunday, right? If you're using a platform like StakeOut, you get paid every Monday morning. Are you getting this now? So I'm going to go into this video and show you the programs that will help you to make at least $100 in a week, in a month. Okay, so follow me and make sure not that you don't skip any part of this video so you don't miss the important information I'll be sharing. If this is your first time of coming here, you're welcome. My name is Awajima Misioto. On this channel, I teach you how to do stuffs online. I show you things that you can do that can help you make money for yourself and grow your business. So please do me a favor by liking this video. Make sure to subscribe. Make sure to turn on the notification bell. All right, let's get straight into the affiliate marketing platform that I use. One of them I use, and I'm going to show you the programs that will help you to make your $100 to $1,000 and beyond. Okay, now in case you're a beginner, right, in case you're a beginner, you will have to really understand how affiliate marketing works. Otherwise, if you jump onto this program, you may struggle to make that amount of money. But once you understand the system, you understand how it works, you can actually make that money and even more. That's why we encourage people to get the program. Before you say you want to make money from the program, you have to learn the system. That's why we tell people to get into the program, pay for the access. All right, so quickly, before so we don't waste time in this video, let me just enter into one of the programs and I'll go to my dashboard. Let's go here. Just follow me, guys, follow me. Let's go here, follow me. Follow me. Let's go into one of the programs. Good. So I'm going to just show you 3 programs, right? I'm going to show you 3 programs that can help you. There are many of them, but I'll just show you 3 of them that can help you make at least $100. So this platform here that you see here is called StakeOut. This is one of the platforms I use. All right, the screenshots I show you were on Prompt N. I could have shown you screenshot also from StakeOut, but I don't want this video to be too long. So once you come to this platform, you need to sign up. All right, you need to sign up on this platform. Once you sign up, you will have access to fill in your bank details, fill in all the things you need to fill in, your KYC, that is your information about you. And once you do that correctly, you will be brought to where you are going to sign up. You are going to log in like this. Okay, so in my case now, I'll fill in my details. Yeah, I'll fill in my details and I'll take you to the marketplace and show you those programs that you can be promoting. In case you don't know, what affiliate marketing is, let me not assume that you know everything, but in case you don't know, affiliate marketing is not a referral business. Please take note. People are getting it wrong. It's not a referral business. It's a business where you recommend solution to people, and that solution is paid for. Once they pay for it, you get paid a certain commission. I believe you're getting that now. So get it straight. Understand it, that it is not a referral business. When we say referral business, it's not a business that you say bring 2 people and you get 4,000, bring 10 people and you get 20,000. No, it's not money doubling. It's not gambling. It is a business where you use marketing skills to attract people who will pay for solutions, and then you get commissions. Okay, so we are on the platform right now. I will enter into this. Okay, so right here we are on the page. This is my dashboard, and you can see how much I have made using this platform. So I'm going to go straight into the marketplace and show you exactly the programs that you can start promoting if you want to start making at least $100 and above. So you come to the top left here, click on this. Okay, first of all, once you're coming on this platform, you are going to see this is a product that you can promote. This advertisement now that you're seeing, watch free training how to make your first $50 on StakeOut. If you want to start with that, this is a very good program. All right, if you promote to 2 persons that make payments for this product, you're going to be getting automatically, with 2 payments, you're going to be getting a commission of $25. Yeah, the commissions are 50%, $25. That means you have to sell to 4 persons. All right, if you want to make your $100. So if you sell $50 products to 4 persons, that is, your commission is going to be 50%, which is $25. $25 times 4 gives you $100. But this one is going to take your time. So you want to get to programs that have higher price so that you can pick, you can make your money faster. So that's what I want to show you now. So you come to the top left here where you see these 3 horizontal lines. Click on it and scroll to where you see marketplace. Click on marketplace. All right, click on marketplace. So now this is the marketplace. You can see the list of the products that are selling in high demand. Now these 3 top products are the products that are in high demand right now, that are top selling. But you are not going to the top selling. You are going to products that will give you $100 and above as fast as possible. Okay, so you are going to go and look for products that are worth $50, $100 and above. So let's scroll down. As we are scrolling, you can see this ghostwriting, that's $25. No, you don't want that. You want products as high as $50. Okay, so that you can get your commissions as $25, right? So we keep scrolling, I'm showing you how you can make your money fast so that you don't keep selling to many people before you make your $100. In the first part of this, I've showed you one of the products, which was the one that was advertised at the top. So you can see this product now, Crypto Profit Kit. This product was created by Jacto Precious. If you look at this now, this is $165. Can you see it now? I'm zooming in. You can see this is $165 and the commission is 50%, and you can promote the product. All right, so half of $165 should give you something close to, let's say, should give you something close to $80, right? If you have $80, that's close to 100K. Are you getting now? So these are the products you should promote as fast as possible if you want to make your money very fast. So how do you promote this product? So you come to this promote, click on promote. When you click on promote, you are seeing this place now. This is the document that you are going to need. This is where you are going to pick your affiliate link, right? This is the sales page. If you click on it, you're going to see more details about the sales page. But if you want to get your marketing materials, you come to the JV page. This place that they say JV page, you come there. All right. Once you come to the JV page, you're going to see more details about all the marketing materials you need to promote the product. Now, how do you get your link? Because that's what you're going to need to promote the product. How do you get your link? You come down here, you scroll down, you see this place that says copy affiliate link below. You click on this side, you can see it has copied. All right, let me zoom in again. You click on it, it has copied. So that is the link you are going to share. All right, your marketing materials may include maybe your scripts that you're going to be posting on WhatsApp or TikTok or wherever you want to post it. All right, and once you finish talking, you add your link below it. Anybody who clicks that link and purchases, anybody who clicks that link and purchases this product, automatically you have a 50% commission straight to your wallet, and then you can withdraw every weekend. Are you seeing this now? So this is how you can promote the product. There are different ways for you to promote, but I cannot talk about all of them here in this video. If you want to really learn how affiliate marketing works, go to the comment section, drop a comment for me, or go to the link in the description. I will drop links to how you can access me, how you can learn more. Okay, that is product number 1. Let's go to the second one. All right, so you just keep scrolling, looking for products that are bigger, products with bigger amounts of money. You keep scrolling. In fact, let's see. Okay, that's number 1. We've taken number 1. So basically how this works is you need to pick products that gives you at least $25 and above. You get it now? So that's the secret. You need to pick products that gives you $25 and above. You keep scrolling until you find those products. If you can't find it, you look for product that can give you at least 15,000 and above, or 20,000 and above, or 10,000 and above. If you can do that, multiply your effort, keep multiplying your effort, keep repeating the process, and you get your sale until you get your $100. So this is exactly how people do it to make your $100 in a week or in a month or continuously. Okay, that is where I'm going to stop for this video. If you got value from this video, kindly like, kindly subscribe. Make sure to turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss whenever I share valuable content like this. Okay, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Enjoy.